Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Today is Tuesday, April the 13th, 2010. And this is our free alert for you. We post one every night, so check it out. This is our video alert. Ticker symbol is COH, Coach Incorporated. Basically, I think the overall markets are overbought. And if you look right here on this chart, we'll point out the same conditions: overbought, slow stretch. Major support is at 34. She's up at 41, so extremely extended from major support. The rally is doing that. We'll go over it again, but that rally is basically doing that bull trap setup again. You saw one back here and then off the cliff. And now we're doing one here and we'll wait for off the cliff, okay? And again, note that really weak volume behind that rally right there. Yeah, that's telling you this ain't real. And then all of a sudden, boom, the big selling comes in, all right? Now we look at our volume here, really weak, really weak. It's just going to fall off the cliff, okay? Unless this company, Coach, sells, something to some rich consumer somewhere that we don't know about, this doesn't make any sense to be rallying at this point. And once their earnings come out, I think they'll be caught with their pants down. So I'd be short that guy right there at today's close of 41.54 or higher if I could get it, but because of the way she's trending, she could still have a couple more up days in her, so I wouldn't put a tight stop at today's close. In fact, I'd use a stop at like 10% above that. So if she kicked me out of 10%, okay, fine, but otherwise I'd be shorting that guy. That's how I'd play that. You also notice the MACD really overbought and extended from the zero line, and that's just waiting for a bearish crossover. And once that happens, boom, she's gone, just like we had back here. She's going to fall off that cliff again. And of course, if we look at the RSI, which tells us extremely overbought or extremely oversold conditions, we are extremely overbought right there, okay? So that's a really good short from a technical perspective, in my opinion. As always, do your own due diligence, etc., etc. Read our disclaimers and slap somebody. All right. Before I go any further, I want to tell you about a new thing we've done here. We really appreciate everything you guys have done for us. You guys have been telling your friends about us. You've been referring, passing on videos, posted them on Facebook, MySpace, etc. And that means a lot to us. You're helping us stay alive, and become more successful and stronger even during this really weak market that we've had for the past year. So all in all, we'd like to return the favor and just continue to better serve our users. And we understand that this is a tough market, and it's really not a place where people are going to be throwing their money away on risky situations. So no matter how good I tell you our services are, I don't blame you for not wanting to sign up. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my money where my mouth is and tell you right now, if you will tell your friends, hey, check out PerfectStockAlert.com. You can go to PerfectStockAlert.com right now, sign up, get a free full access membership, and you can have access to my portfolio right now, as well as our small cap alerts. And we'll just continue to serve you the very best we possibly can, because plain and simple, if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't even have a business. So we're going to give you everything we've got, and just trust that you're going to continue to refer your friends and help continue to make us successful. Again, we are where we are today because of what you've already done. So this is our thank you. If you're not following us on Facebook, you can find the link to our Facebook page on our website. We recommend you do that. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We provide more information than what you gain on the website if you are with us on Facebook, simply because you get intraday notations that something I see in the market, I may, go ahead and toss out there to our members. You can also follow us on Twitter. You'll find those links on our website. And that's about all I have to say for today. I will see you all tomorrow. Be watching for Intel's reporting. Oh, one more thing. This is important. You know what? I'll go over it tomorrow in the market analysis. Just enjoy the evening. God bless.